Hello all, welcome to another video on Python Essentials. So today we'll be taking a look at creating a list which contains the powers of 2 using the append function, all right? So you might have tried appending to a list before if you have a given list. Of course, where list is already defined, you just use the dot append and give the name of the new item or element in the brackets, right? So if you're looking at creating a list with all the powers of 2, or let's just say 10 powers of 2, we might as well work with the for loop. Okay, let's begin with creating an empty list. Let's call it power list, right? And within the for loop, let's give it a certain range. All right, say you want up to the powers of 2 to the power 10, then we'd say range for 11, that would stop at I is equal to 10. Okay, and let's call P 2 to the power I. All right, and to the power list, we simply append the value of P. All right. So just to elaborate on what we're doing here, once you have a given value of I, which would actually begin with 0, okay, you would assign P 2 to the power that I value. Okay, you get the power of P, and to the existing power list, you will append the value of P. Once it is done, you'd move on to the next value of I. You'd get a new P. You would append that power as well to the same list. Okay, that's the basic idea. Let's run this. All right, and if we now call power list just to see what we have. All right, you can see we begin at the I value of 0, right? When you take range of a certain value alone, where the start is not specified, the start is always 0. So 2 raised to power 0 is 1. Okay, this is 2 raised to the power 1, 2 square, so on and so forth. You're going up to 1024, which is 2 to the power 10. All right. Okay, so I can probably just put this in a better way. Let's just say print the powers of 2. Well, let's just say the list with the powers of 2 contains elements as follows, right? Let's ask it to give a new line, and following that, we print the power list. Let's see what we get. There you go.